Introducing the Plug5 GPS tracking device, an easy way to monitor your vehicles. Plug5 is an advanced GPS tracker in an OBD dongle form factor, designed for plug-and-play vehicle tracking. Simply plug it directly into your vehicle's OBD2 socket and you're ready to go. Automatic CAN line detection and configuration will reduce installation time and costs. One SKU for any type of vehicle. Whether it's a light vehicle or a heavy truck, the Plug5 is easy to store and can be used across your entire fleet. Bluetooth connectivity extends Plug5 capabilities with various accessories. With the Cat4 version, the Plug5 even acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring a dependable internet connection wherever your vehicle goes. Plug5 reads OBD2 and CAN data from at least 85% of vehicles manufactured in the past 5 years. Various use cases for all your business needs. Real-time monitoring of fleet efficiency optimization, driver behavior monitoring, fuel monitoring, maintenance cost reduction, driver, vehicle, and cargo safety and security. Powerful specifications for advanced fleet monitoring. LTE Cat M1 or LTE Cat4 connectivity for reliable data transmission. 2 CAN interfaces for seamless integration with vehicle protocols. Built-in battery for unplugging detection. Internal GNSS antenna. Multi-tone buzzer and 4 LED indicators for instant notifications. Bluetooth 5.1 for various accessories. Plug5 proves to be the ultimate fleet management solution, serving as the optimal fleet manager booster across various industries: car dealership and leasing, transportation and logistics, insurance, public transportation. Full support, complete documentation, interactive guide, user-friendly platform. Ruptella's 24/5 support at support@ruptella.com is here to ease your day. Discover the transformative benefits of the Ruptella Plug5 and witness the remarkable changes it brings to your business. Ruptella, driving innovation in fleet management.